here in the seagrass beds in our nursery habitat. So we definitely want to take very good care of this area. So what we can do as biologists, we are studying things that are living. And so what we can do is head out into the grass beds and we can take a sample of the animals that we find in the grasses. We will then count the number of individual different types of animals that we get. We are not going to count the total number of animals that we get. We are more interested in knowing the different animals that we get. Have you all heard of this word called diversity before? All right, excellent. Well, if you have not heard it, now you have. And what that means is that we have a lot of differences. So as biologists, what we're doing is using however many different species or however many animals that we can find out there will be our measuring stick for how healthy the water is. So do you think that you would see a high diversity or a low diversity in healthy water? Yes, sir. A high. Excellent. Miss Jessica and I are so lucky we get to do this activity almost every single day. So we know, on average, we catch about 15 to 20 different animals every single day. The characters change, but in total, about 15 to 20. So when we head out here today, it is part of our job to help to monitor the health of our seagrass beds by looking at the animals that we catch. How we're going about catching them, could I see a show of hands of however many people have ever used a vacuum cleaner, seen a vacuum cleaner in action, and know how to use one? Excellent. If you know how to use a vacuum cleaner, then you are in great shape today. This is our vacuum cleaner, also known as a dip net. We gently place the dip net on the bottom. Notice I don't shove it into the bottom. I'm not trying to dig up the grass bed. I am simply using it like a little scoop. And I move it forward as I'm moving through the grass beds. I just let it skim across the surface. And I move it back and forth just like a vacuum cleaner, right? Now the longer I have my net in contact with the bottom, the higher the chance I have of actually catching something. So after a moment or two, you can lift your net up and look inside, and I promise you will see all kinds of little sea life flitting about in your net. Now if you don't know what it is, do you want to touch it?
No.
Definitely not. We don't want to do that. If you catch something, you can do two things. You can either bring it over to Miss Jessica. She will be out in the water with a white bucket that we fondly call our grocery cart, because we will be picking up the animals that you're collecting in our grocery cart. We will be bringing the animals back over to my table here. This is what we call our show and tell table. At the very end of the activity, we'll all come out of the water, we'll put the animals in clear containers and pass them around and talk a little bit about them. So when you hear someone catches a hippopotamus out there, should we all go running over to their net? No, right? We all have a chance of catching a hippopotamus. Oh, thank you. No, we probably won't catch any hippopotamuses. I was just making sure we were listening out here. So anyhow, we catch something, you either give it to Miss Jessica or Mr. Jim for their buckets, or you can bring it to me over here. Ladies and gentlemen, the most important thing when we catch something, these animals cannot breathe if we hold our nets out of the water. They need the water to breathe. So please hold your net in the water while you're trying to sort out what to do with your animals. That is one of the activities we can do. Anyone here interested in snorkeling? Oh. So, are we allowed to snorkel? Yeah? Yeah! Excellent. So, I thought so. So, what we can also do, once we get in the water and do a little dip netting, I'd like to try to see if we can catch some animals first before we get on our masks and snorkels and get a little crazy. And when we're done with dip netting, ladies and gentlemen, we will also have some snorkel gear available for you to use. Now today, it's a little wavy, right? So I don't think that the clarity of the seagrass beds will be great. I think when we look in the water, it's going to be really murky. But I do think it is pretty cool and pretty fun to at least try on snorkeling here. Can I see a show of hands for how many people have ever snorkeled before?